Hello, are you the purchasing manager of your DIY center? Are you looking for quality products that will allow you to offer the best service to your customers? If so, I recommend you watch this video to the end. In it, I introduce you to Robyn Goods, a leading supplier of aluminium systems for DIY centers at factory prices. In this catalog, you will find a wide range of high-quality aluminium systems, such as sliding, casement, tilt and turn windows, and much more. All their aluminium profiles are extruded from top-grade alloy and meet the strictest manufacturing and safety standards. If you want your DIY center to be a success, don't hesitate. With Robyn Goods, you can offer your customers the best possible quality and price. Here are the advantages. 1. Robyn Goods offers 3 shipping methods depending on the customer's needs. Express by plane, with the option of capillary delivery. Slower by groupage. And finally, by container, which allows you to combine 3 or 4 products from your factories in a single shipment. 2. It allows you to customize the products with your brand in smaller quantities than the competition. 3. Robyn Goods donates 75% of the profits from each purchase to the social cause of your choice. 4. Your DIY center receives recognition and free publicity for its social contribution. 5. Plus, you can get a 35% tax benefit on donations made. And remember, for Robyn Goods, the social impact of your purchases is just as important as consuming products responsibly. Wouldn't it be great if your customers remembered your company for all the support it gives them? Here is the impact of a small action taken by one company in choosing Robyn Goods as their trusted supplier. Mensajeros de la Paz Foundation received a donation of €1,000 from Robyn Goods, thanks to the sale of promotional material for the musical The Choir Boys at the La Latina Theater in Madrid. So we conclude this exciting journey through Robyn Goods aluminium systems. We hope we have shown you that they are the perfect choice for stocking your DIY centers. Now that you've met Robyn Goods, what's stopping you from taking the plunge and making them your new supplier? Don't hesitate to get in touch with them today and discover the countless benefits of working with a trusted supplier. Join the Robyn Way movement. See you in our next video. Bye.
Robyn Goods. Buy good, be good.